On an average day, the Huntington House produces hundreds of pieces of furniture. But in late March, the order stopped coming in due to COVID-19. As a result, they quickly changed their manufacturing plan.
Throughout the month of April, the only business activity we had going on here was mask production.
Clara is already set up and ready to go.
Corey Teague, president of Huntington House, says they had to shut down furniture manufacturing for 5 weeks. Making masks allowed them to keep their doors open. During that time, they got connected to the Carolina Textile District and were able to produce about 50,000 masks.
We partnered with CDD because they had the materials lined up, they had a distribution network, they knew who needed the mask and what type. So they really took all of the research and development process out of that for us and allowed us to use our manufacturing capabilities to jump right in and start making masks on a big scale.
And these are the ones that we started out when we transitioned from making gowns.
Cheryl Maloney is the co-owner of Dance Style Design. She also saw very little business this spring due to COVID-19. She pivoted her company's efforts from making custom dance and formal wear to making cloth masks.
We probably could have kept our doors open minimally. It would have been a struggle. But this has allowed us to actually grow as a business.
Maloney says the demand allowed her to hire additional contractors, helping prevent others from going out of business.
There was a lot of guilt about being able to make it through this crisis time when so many other small businesses are shutting their doors. And the only thing that's helped to alleviate that is knowing that we're actually helping people.
Huntington House has since returned to their normal manufacturing schedule, but the quick pivot allowed their employees to continue to work and get paid and gave them a sense of service within the community.
And somebody without a doubt would always come up and say, hey, I saw one of our masks on somebody at a certain store or wherever they'd been. And they got a sense of pride out of knowing that these masks were in the community and that people were using and then they were fulfilling a need.